Hi, my name is Adam Ware, and I'm the ePortfolio Coordinator for Career Connect. The Gizmos function within the ePortfolio shows you how to use slideshows and grids and other image functions, and also how to use videos in your ePortfolios. This tutorial will show you how to do that. When working on your ePortfolio, you have the option to add several gizmos to your ePortfolio. You can do this by clicking on the Gizmos button at the top. The gizmos allow you to add an image, a slideshow, a grid, which is a series of pictures that are the same size, a splat, which is a series of pictures that are different sizes, a video, a Twitter feed that you own, a feedback form, a Prezi, any document, an embedded video or media, something from a Google Drive, and a projects. Some notes on some of these. Video takes up a lot of space, so you may want to add a video to YouTube, make it private, and then embed it, or make it unlisted and then embed it in this so that you don't take up space on your ePortfolio. Google Drive documents, you have to make sure they are public, because if they are not, you will see them on your ePortfolio and other people will not, because you have access to them and other people will not. To use any of these, click on it, find an open green box you want to place it in, click there, choose, in this case, the project you want, and it drops the project into the system. You can also edit the project from here, or you can remove the project. When it's being viewed, it'll show up there. Make sure you save your work when you're done. That's how you use Gizmos. I hope you found that video helpful. In this next video, we're going to explain what an e-community is, how to join one, and why you might use one. You can find the link to that video above.